Sisekuzo isinta igcwane icorona ONgqongqoshe oSomabhizinisi kanye nabaholi bezisebenzi namabhizinisi babambe umhlangano ophuthumayo eGoli namhlanje. Lapha bekuzobhungwa ngesinyathelo okumele sithathwe ukuqinisekisa uzinzo kwezomnotho kanye nokuthi ukudla okukhona njengamanje kwenela bonke abantu. Lokhu kulandela ixhala njengoba abanye abantu sebephuthuma ukuyothenga ubuthaphuthaphu ukudla ezitolo ukugwema isiminyaminya uma isimo siya ngokubasibi.
Our export basket, and you look at the 5 biggest exporters that South Africa currently has, it also is a list of countries that is affected by the coronavirus, including China, the United States, the UK, Germany and Japan. We've looked at domestic sources of slowdown in the economy. Treasury will monitor all of this, and as and when any interventions are necessary, we'll obviously agree on the form of those.
The one issue that was raised, very important public message, is that there should be no panic buying, because that will disrupt supplies. The fourth area relates to the need for our workplaces to adapt. There was a consensus that we can't regard this as workplaces as usual, that we should encourage where possible working from home, short time, shift work, online, and so on.